What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let me show you how to add passkey on Binance app. So all you have to do is open the Binance account. While we are in the Binance app, tap the icon at the top left of your screen. While we are at it, tap your profile picture located at the top of the screen with a picture if you have. After tapping your profile picture, tap the security tab below the verifications tab. While we are in the security tab, tap the passkey tabs, which says it is recommended. After tapping the passkeys tab, tap add passkey located at the bottom of the screen. The pop-up notification will appear, and it will ask you if you want to put a passkey or security key. Since we're here to add a passkey, let's tap passkey. After tapping a passkey, the pop-up notification appears, which is to tap continue and enter your passkey by typing your PIN code or biometric. After that, the passkey will be enabled. And that's how you can add passkey on Binance app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.